So guys, have you ever bought a cake and when you bought it, it was perfect, but before you got home, it was a total mess? So today, I'm going to show you how to properly carry your cakes. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, today, I'm going to be showing you how to carry your cakes and how to transport them so that they don't get destroyed along the way. So, are you a cake maker or you're a cake customer? Have you ever gotten home and then you realize that the cake you bought is already smelled and it looks disgusting even though it was perfect when you bought it? Or you're a cake maker and like a customer sent you a picture of the cake that it was perfect before it left your place, and then before it got to them it was already smelled and it looked funny and now they're angry. Okay, this video is for both groups of people. So today I'm going to be showing you how to carry your cakes and how to transport them safely. So the first thing I want to talk about is, remember your cake is food. Look at this one. I just made this cake. If you want to see a video of how I made this cake, I'm going to put the link right up here so you can see how I made it. I made it with a spoon. Yeah, I know it looks pretty. Okay, so the first thing you want to remember when you're transporting cake is that it is food. Yes, no matter how well constructed it looks, it is food. And if you don't carry food well, you're going to spill it and it's going to pour all over the place, and then you can't eat it, and then it's a mess. So remember first of all that it is food. So when you carry a cake, look at how I'm carrying it. You have to carry it like on a flat surface. You have to make sure your palm is flat. You can't carry it like this, neither can you carry it like this. If you have a plate of rice, for example, let me show you an example. Let's say you have a plate of rice and this thing, and then this is the way for you to carry your plate. Even if you're going from here to the room, this is how you should carry your plate. If you carry it like this, your rice is going to spill all over. Do you understand? If you carry it like this, your rice is going to spill in this direction. So, in the case of a cake, you want to carry it on a flat surface. Even if you are sitting in a car, you want to put it on your leg and make sure it is sitting like your leg is the table. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so the second thing is, usually the cakes are in a box. Let me show you how to carry that. Sometimes you have a box of just like this, and then when I take it downstairs to the customer, then I give you your cake like this. Half of the time, like they take the cake from me and carry it like this. It's just like you're carrying a plate of rice. Imagine you carry it like this. It's going to pour, and then when they get home, they can send me a picture and show me a picture of how like the cake is smeared and everything and how they're not pleased. It's because you didn't carry it well, and it is not my fault. It's not your fault either because you don't have to carry it. So I'm showing you in this video how to carry your cake. So you have to carry it like your hand is a table. If you're putting it on your lap in a car, you have to put it like this. If you're putting it on the seat in a car, most seats are slanty this way. So if you have maybe a cardboard or a book, just put it right underneath it so it can look like it is sitting on a table. I don't know if that makes sense. The third tip is, do not leave your cakes in the car. Whether it is a fondant cake or it is a buttercream cake. Let's say for example you went to pick up a cake for your girlfriend or for your wife or something, and then you kept it in the car so that when you close from work, then you can take it home. That is very wrong. Like that is the wrongest thing to do. So do not leave your cake in the car because it is going to sweat. If it is fondant, it is going to become old and drippy. And if it is buttercream, it is just going to melt and it will be a whole disaster. So if you're going to leave your cake in the car, maybe you just want to go buy something, make sure the air conditioning in the car is on, and that way like the cake will be in a really good temperature and it will not melt. But the best thing is just don't leave it in the car. If maybe you're going somewhere, take the cake with you and put it in the person's fridge, or put it in the fridge at work, and then when you're leaving work you can put it back into your car and take it home. Please don't leave your cakes in the car. Yes. Okay. So the fourth and final tip is to, what's the fourth and final tip? Okay, before I go to that, you guys have to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please come and subscribe to my channel. And join the family before we are like 1 million, and then you'll be like, oh, I knew how much started. Oh, sorry. Okay, as I was saying, could you please subscribe to this channel and like this video right now? Just click on like and click on subscribe. If you don't subscribe, just click on like. Yes, that's good enough, guys. So the final and the fourth tip is to not swing your cake. And I'm going to give you an example. Let's say you have this cake right here, yeah? Like you're holding it like this. Remember when you're walking, you don't keep walking like this, like you don't walk around and swing your cake. Because if you do that, like it looks well structured, it looks like concrete, or it looks well built because it was well made, but it is still food. It is not concrete. So when you carry your cake, carry them carefully and do not swing them. Let me show you about. Sometimes I put this box in a nylon so it can be easier for my customers to carry. So when they carry the nylon, sometimes they swing it like maybe they're just carrying a bag of chips or they're carrying a bag of fruits and vegetables or something. When you carry your cake, even though it is in a box and the box is in the nylon, you want to carry it carefully and gently and walk to wherever it is you're going. You don't want to swing it because when you swing it, you're going to see the results of the swing inside the box. And then you're going to send me a picture and say, oh, it is smart, it is disgusting, I can't give this cake to someone. Okay, but it wasn't my fault. Okay, so now let's have portion blames that's making this video. Please guys, when you carry a cake, carry them carefully. And if you're a cake decorator and like you have this problem, I know you definitely have this problem because most customers do not know how to handle cakes. Send this video, you can post this video in your social media, just make sure you tag me and everything. So if this video was useful to you, thank you so much for watching and I hope you subscribe and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.